Sup dudes, welcome back to the vlog. Had nothing to do today, so I figured I'd come harass these guys at Kiwi Performance. Maybe give you guys a little insight of why I come here all the time and why I've got my car here to be worked on. What you doing today, Tyler?
Looking for bolts.
That sounds so productive. Tyler's professional. He looks for bolts.
Professional bolt looker. And if everything is working like it should, which it's not at the moment.
So Luke's the resident wire guy when it comes to electronics. Apparently he's the guy to go to. The man's actualist. So I don't know how they did it, but they managed to fit this TJ. The TJ, right? TJ or 1J? TJ. They managed to fit this 2J in this tiny little RX-7. Monstrous. Probably borderline illegal. Insane. Echo, guard dog extraordinaire.
Right now it's hooked up to here. Alright. I did this all theory with the FSMs and the Aristo wiring diagrams, but it's actually this guy over here. If I would have done it in practice, I would have multimetered this and tested for continuity and found out which one was actually here. But I was doing it all in theory with pieces of paper, and I got this one instead of that one. DPA 1, DPA 2, or whatever the third one was. But I got not this one, so I'm just gonna cut these wires and bring them over here, and then it'll be on this.
And you get.
How I know that is because when I unplugged one of these, it changes the reading over here under throttle position. So diagnosed and solved. Issue.
Right on.
I think that's the only problem. Not problem, but thing that's not.
That's what's blocking you.
It's gonna be correct. Here, pieces of paper. Not enough. Like only 4 of 8, and you have 10 other sets remaining, all of them. RB 26 GTR.
So Tyler's looking for bolts, and Luke's got this wiring, I think, pretty well figured out. So let's just give you a little shop tour real quick. So over here, that's where a dude builds his engines. Behind door number 1, that's actually an engine room in there. That's where you originally started building the engines and stuff. And I guess that's where you kind of Tyler has a crush on the door. Over here we got a bunch of metalworking stuff. They got a lathe, they got drill presses, brakes, benders, saws, you name it, some good welders. Over up on this wall behind me, lots of parts. These guys do a lot of engine work in here. They do everything from SR20s to big V8s. You're bound to collect a few things, right? There's my motor. That's for my 240, which will be worked on one day in here. What you specialize in, what you do, what you
specialize in getting paid money.
That's what I do.
Bro, I need to think of it.
That's the Audi engine, eh?
Biggest fucking mistake in my life.
Oh really? It's a bitch to work on?
Custom rods, custom pistons, custom fucking head studs, custom, everything's custom made, nothing's off the shelf at this moment. Yes. Measure up the factory ones, send out the specs, get them to make them billet from Wiseco, man. Rods are Powser, pistons are Wiseco, then we're just running factory head gaskets. The studs are replacing the States called diesel studs because they were cheaper than ARPs. ARP wanted like, I think $2,500 just to do a set of I think 15 studs for the bottom end. And I ended up getting them for like 950 US. Diesel studs. Same thing for the head studs. It's crazy, man.
Is it a diesel car or
Nah,
no?
man.
It's gasoline.
Nah, but diesel, like everything in diesel motors is super strong. I'm not worried about the strength. We got a block sleeved because these blocks have next to walls. We were worried about the heat because we're turbocharging it. The cylinders were so close together, they had to notch the sleeves, and then when they tried to pressure test the sleeves, they just kept splitting where the notches. Get another block and just look at some cylinders and just hope to God that it doesn't like heat up too much and stick. There's going to be a lot of pressure on the tube.
Yeah. So that's really like that's 100% custom job. Hasn't been done before, kind of thing.
They do bolt-on supercharger kits, but this guy wanted a turbo. He should have just bought like an RS6 or something. Like, for real, man. Close to 30 grand in parts just on the road.
Wow.
Fucking nice. I'm just one exhaust manifold, so I've got a couple up there.
How many of those do you think you built? RB26s?
At least 100.
Yeah.
And a lot of them, others done a few years ago. They just built at least 15 RBs.
So what's Tyler's job description around here? I was trying to figure it out before, but he told me he was a professional bolt finder.
That pretty much sums it up. He's a jack of all trades, master of none. He's a pretty good engineer.
Build engines, you can fabricate. He's basically your young Padawan.
Dude, he's Luke Skywalker and I'm Yoda.
We need fucking engine mounts, exhaust manifolds, we need this little plate, fully.
Fucking engine mounts, bro. Someone that's buying this is either going to swap it into something or he's going to put it into his GTR so he'll go use his engine mounts. Or just get front covers, valve covers, paint them up, chuck them on. It's a good solid motor, man.
Bro kit. Oh, you got one seat. It's like a race car?
Bro, it doesn't even break his wallet, bro. It just fucking breaks.
Like, really, man? But the boost is not going green.
All these guys are moving cars around in and out, getting work done. Let me show you what's in the yard. So I follow a lot of these big time vloggers on YouTube and stuff. And I mean, there's so much stuff here that most like big name guys are doing. Like, you know, we got 240s. So eliminate Adam LZ. Let go. Dude's crazy, and that's why it's so fun to be here. So anyways, like I was saying, they got an abundance of 240 here. So just like Eliminate, Adam LZ, those boys. All right, cool. And when it comes to 240s, I mean, check this thing out. This thing is an absolute monster. This is something that these boys built right here. This is their own custom engine setup. RB all the way. Now they did everything on this thing, from turbo manifolds, intake manifolds. There's a reason there's a Kiwi Performance sticker on that one, because that is built right here in-house. Dustin Williams, check it out. Got GTRs here, all kinds. Got this GTR. Got that GTR. B is for build guys. Well, they got one of those things here too they're building. This other one here, this is for Tommy F, yeah, and Adam LZ. Check this thing out. You guys aren't the only guys rocking the Evos. So all that and so much more. This is Kiwi Performance. This is where I do enjoy spending a lot of time, because these guys are awesome and they do awesome things. They do anything you can think of when it comes to your JDM stuff, motor swaps, full cages, full custom front ends. Like, look at this. That's all built right here. So definitely a place that's got it going on. Definitely a place I'm proud to be able to come to.
There you go. Come here.
So if you're wondering what's up with that bike, Jay, like myself, before he was working on these crazy cars, he was a motorcycle technician. So that's where he learned all the really heavy duty engine stuff, clearances, all the high tech, really hard to understand stuff.
Baby rounds, man.
So guys, that's what they do around here. Engine building, engine swaps, anything you can think of. Fabrication, roll cages, custom mount everything. These guys will take anything and turn it into anything you want. In the very near future, we're gonna come and film some more stuff here. Jay's gonna show you how to build some engines, do some really technical stuff, and we're gonna make you guys a good show, a good educational kind of style thing, you know what I mean? So, until next time guys, peace out, stay happy.